Welcome back, everyone. We've got another deep dive ready for you, and this one is juicy.
Ooh, I like juicy.
Oh, it is juicy. You guys have been sending in some super interesting thoughts on the future of programming,
Oh, yeah.
specifically with AI becoming so prevalent, like in everything. And a lot of you pointed to this article
Okay.
called Will AI Replace Programmers? My take.
Hmm.
And you want to unpack some of the key points in it. So that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to dive right in.
Let's do it. I'm excited. This is a big one.
Oh, it is. I mean,
Okay.
it's the question on everyone's mind, right, is AI going to take my job?
Right.
And this article makes this really interesting point, and it kind of gets at the heart of it.
Okay.
It says, AI is becoming incredibly good at certain programming tasks.
Right. But.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It leaves us hanging.
of course.
Like, okay, AI can do some things,
Yeah.
but what does that mean for us?
What does that mean for all the human programmers out there?
Yeah, like what skills do we need to actually like level up if we want to stay ahead of,
The curve.
the curve, exactly.
I think one of the key things that we can take away from this is that while AI might be great at, cranking out
Yeah.
boilerplate code or finding bugs really fast,
Hmm.
it still lacks some of those really human skills, like problem solving,
Oh,
for example. Problem solving is not something that AI has
What's mastered?
mastered. Right. AI is
No.
great at finding solutions,
Yeah.
but it needs a human to actually define the problem
Oh, for sure.
in the first place.
It can write the code,
Mhm.
but it needs us to tell it what to write.
Yes.
It needs us to tell it what the goals are and like the why behind it.
And why? Exactly.
Like, why are we making this software?
You got it. We need to understand the purpose. The user's needs, the context.
Like the bigger picture.
Yes. So think about designing like a user interface
Oh.
for a new kind of wearable tech. AI might be able to help generate code
Yeah.
for basic layouts, but it can't understand how that UI
Yep.
is going to make the user feel.
Right.
We need human creativity
Yeah.
and intuition to craft that really engaging and intuitive experience.
And let's be real. AI is learning from data that we humans have already generated.
Totally.
So when it comes to like genuine innovation,
Yeah.
like that next groundbreaking app or that algorithm that's going to change everything,
Yeah.
it's still us. It's still humans pushing the boundaries.
Yeah.
AI can analyze code bases and like predict what you're going to write next.
Oh, for sure.
But what about creating something totally new?
Exactly.
That's where like the out of the box ideas come from.
Yeah. And that's why adaptability is another crucial skill
Oh, absolutely.
for programmers in this like
Yeah,
constantly
really
evolving
tech.
landscape. I mean, the tech world's changing so fast. So being able to learn new languages and tools quickly, that is essential.
Essential.
Remember that time you had to learn React in like a week
Oh, yeah.
to get that project
Off the ground.
off the ground?
Yeah, I've been there.
That kind of flexibility, that's going to be
Even more important.
even more valuable moving forward.
And, this kind of leads into another point.
Okay.
We need to understand AI's strengths,
Mm-hmm.
but also its limitations.
Yes.
It's like, when GPS first came out,
Okay. Yeah.
it can get you from point A to point B,
Right.
but you still need to know how to read a map.
Exactly.
You still need to have a sense of direction just in case.
Just in case
Yeah.
something happens.
Yeah, exactly.
You can't just completely rely on it.
And AI in coding, it's kind of similar.
Yeah.
It can automate those tasks
Yes.
and give you helpful suggestions,
Oh, yeah.
but it's not a magic wand.
Right.
It's not going to like wave its wand and
Poof. It's all done.
exactly, like all your work is done.
Yeah, it would be nice, though.
It would be nice.
Think of it like having a really super powered coding assistant.
Coding assistant.
You're still the architect. You're making the big decisions. You're guiding the overall design.
You're the one with the vision.
Exactly. AI tools can help you get there
Yeah.
faster and more efficiently.
They can speed things up.
But you got to know
Yeah.
how to wield them.
How to use them properly, how to use them well.
Right.
So to tie this all back to you,
Okay.
you listening right now,
Yeah.
if you had this amazing
Mhm.
AI coding assistant at your disposal,
Oh, wow.
what would you tackle? What problem would you solve?
Oh, that's a good one.
What kind of innovation would you bring to life?
Well, what would you do with all that free time?
All that free time
Yeah.
and all that extra brain power.
Yes. It's an exciting thought. I hope this deep dive has given you some
Food for thought.
food for thought. And remember the conversation about AI
Right.
and the future of programming.
It's always evolving.
This is just the beginning.
Stay curious, everyone. Keep learning.
Keep asking those challenging questions.
See you next time.
Bye.